Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today's recipe is Nankhatais or Indian cookies with cardamom flavor. Usually these are made in Sindhi homes during the festival of Thadri or Sataen. So we have Vadi Thadri coming up in few days, so I'm making these for Thadri festival. And we also make many other goodies like Lola, Satpura, Tikkyun, Khatto Bhat, and there are many types of sabzis. We make bhajis on this day. All these recipe videos I have already posted. I'll be sharing those links also in the description box. Maybe the playlist so that you can have a look at all the recipes. So today let's proceed to make Nankhatais. Very simple, very easy to make, and you'll never go wrong if you follow the recipe to the T. For Nankhatais, we'll require Maida or all-purpose flour 1 cup. Strain it. Icing sugar half cup. Strain it as well. And ghee or clarified butter half cup at room temperature. Crushed cardamom seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Crush them coarsely in a pestle and mortar. Salt 1 pinch. Baking soda 1 pinch. And these are pistachios. I have soaked them for a couple of hours, peeled, and then sliced them very finely. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Now let's begin. Take a large bowl and transfer the icing sugar into it. Now add the ghee or clarified butter. Remember that all the ingredients have to be at room temperature. Whisk them together until they are combined very well. These are very easy to make. Nankhatais just in a jiffy. Gather ingredients and in 15 minutes it's done. 1 pinch of salt. This balances the flavor. And just 1 pinch of baking soda, not more. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds. I have peeled the cardamoms, green cardamoms, and crushed them in the pestle and mortar. Mix them now. Some people like to add cardamom powder, but these crushed seeds are better. Now keep adding flour little by little and mix it. This way we will get a smoother dough. We can avoid the lump formation. Repeat the same. Now the dough is getting thicker. We'll remove the balloon whisk and continue mixing with the spoon. You can add all the remaining flour and with the back of the spoon mix gently. We'll do this until the dough is formed very well. Friends, if you are visiting for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Finally, knead it lightly with your fingers. Do this very gently. You don't have to knead it hard like a dough. Now you see the dough is quite nice and smooth. All set. Now we can make the Nankhatais. Take a baking tray and brush little ghee on it. Now take small pieces, lemon-sized pieces, flatten them lightly and place them on the tray. Traditionally, the Nankhatais are made in a larger size, just like a size of a puri. But for home use, these are better, small ones, so that individually everyone can pick up one and finish it at one go. When you are distributing for friends and relatives, you can make big ones. Now using a knife, make crisscross marks. leave enough gap between the Nankhatais as they are going to flatten up after baking. This is done. We'll garnish them with pistachio slices. You see how nice and green they are after soaking. I've peeled and sliced them. This is actually a tip. When you bake also, the color retains. Normally when you don't soak them, they become black after baking. So follow this tip. Now the garnishing is done. They are ready to be baked. While you are doing this, preheat the oven. Bake them at 180°C for 15 to 18 minutes. Keep checking after 15 minutes as the time varies from oven to oven. Once they are done, remove the tray and let the Nankhatais cool very well. They may appear soft at this stage. Do not touch them. They will harden after keeping. So let them cool very well. Now you can see they are nice, crisp and hard. You can lift and see. Perfect color. Try to retain this color. Now once they are cool, you can pack them in a airtight container. So friends, wasn't this a very easy Nankhatai recipe? Check out the other thadri recipes like Lola, Satpura, Tikyu, Khatto Bhat. All these I have posted already. The link is shared in the description box. Make and enjoy them during this thadri. Enjoy your festivities. And thank you for watching this video. Here are some links from the archives. You can have a look at them. Bye. Take care.